Okay.
Red.
Loaded. I can hear.
Red Riding Hood.
Red Riding Hood.
Okay.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay.
And then you sing right to her papa, a little boy. And mom said not to touch the strangers. He said
Kabisado
bring
nito.
this to Lola. And then he touched the strangers. And then the wolf said hi to
Dog yan, dog.
Wolf.
Wolf. Oh. Not dog. It's different, right? Okay.
He say hi, and then what's inside here? He said something. And then he looked inside. He opened it, and then I found it.
Little girlfriend of Wolf.
And then a wolf is heading to Grandma's house.
Tell Lolo Jun, what you, the pace. The pace, what you do. Tell Lolo Jun.
And then he ran into their Grandma's house. And then
Grandma.
little fox just a friendly grandma.
Beautiful Wolf.
No, she did that little bit. And then
Girl Wolf.
a wolf. I
Woman
love
wolf.
what Riding Hood knock on the door. And what big eyes you have? When Riding Hood said.
Show Lolo Jun the eyes. Show Lolo Jun what to do the eyes.
And then what big eyes you got? To better see you. And what big ears you have to lean on Olivia. And what big mouth you got
Little girl. Put down.
to always like you. Can you let go? Oh my goodness, what big.
Grandma niya Wolf.
She pretend, right, baby?
And then he started, and then
What this?
the
Daddy?
daddy is helping little with Riding Hood, but it's grandma. And
Palakulin niya yung Wolf.
and then he saw grandma out there, and then
Dami niya humabol sa Wolf.
the daddy friends. And
Daddy's
And,
friend.
and look at the birds back up, a little wolf there. Look at those cats. And then they eat cake. And then they go home.
Ayun yung grandma niya. Yung grandma.
And then they have fun.
Big Wolf. Big Grandma Wolf.
Yeah.
The end. Wow, it's a nice story. Thank you.
Pag ano may Little Red.
Ayun, read na.
Little Red. Ayan.
Yeah, I like that. Ah.
Little Red.
There's different stories here.
I have a lot of story.
And this is Red Riding Hood. And
You ask Lolo Jun if she like the story. You asking.
we told me the story.
Nagustuhan mo daw ba?
Siyempre.
Ah.
Good
Say
story.
Yes, he say yes.
About I can hear the noise.
Oh, pwede ka pa raw niya i-read ng iba pa. You want more, Lolo Jun? Kukuha pa yan. Kukuha pa yan.